Welcome to the Roll20 D&D 1 to 10 edition, where we are going to teach you how to do some DM tricks for free users and for people who are API users, just to make your games run a little bit more smoothly. And of course, we're going to start from the beginning, so creating a game. First, you just hit create a new game. You can find that via home or games, create a new game. Then you type in your name of your game, D&D one-shots, tags, D&D, and last D&D 5e by Roll20. Then hit I'm ready to create a new game. The next step is to go to game settings. Under game settings, you will be able to have the option to make games public, so anybody on the forums can join. You can set the background image here. You can allow players to import their characters from other Roll20 games via this checkmark. Game defaults I don't mess with. The compendium settings, if you want to allow players to be able to import or anything like that, then you can simply do it here. NPC is not what we want our players' first creation to be, so we are going to have that toggled off. Instead, we're going to use Charactermancer. Always roll with advantage. I like to have on, but you can query advantage if you want them to have to click an extra box to say if they have advantage or not. I always put always, because if they have disadvantage, then it's easy for me to basically check at first or lowest roll. But you can pick either of these. I don't recommend the other two, as never rolling advantage, people get to roll all day, and that's annoying. Whisper to GM, I always put never whisper to GM. You can query it, but it's, again, a time waster in most cases. I do auto roll damage and crit. That way, if somebody crits, it auto rolls the crit, because some people forget how to roll crit or just forget that they crit, or anything can happen, so I just have it in here so it automatically rolls it for them. Then you come down here. Your next is to mark all of these fields, as they will come in handy later. Add character name to templates, on. Auto level calculations, on. Encumbrance, I use simple. And then we scroll down here. If you want to hide the NPC names when they roll, go ahead and do this. But if you're like me and you don't really care that they see what your monster's name is, just hit show. And then ammo tracking only matters if you are a $9.99 Roll20 subscriber and have API scripts enabled. And then we put HP max, AC, AC. It doesn't work for you, but in an ideal world, this will eventually work. So I just get in the habit of putting this on. Honor score and then sanity score. If you are using those, you can toggle them on here and then hit save. Once you've saved, hit D&D one-shots, leave, and launch your game. Now you will have a brand new game. The first thing I like to do is come over here and turn on the automatic dice and the enable 3D dice, and turn off what others can see, like video and audio. And then I hit reconnect. And this is because we don't use the Roll20 built-in video and audio chat. We use Discord. So that will get you set up for the next video, which is how to import a map. Stay tuned.